Hey guys, it's Brian Gonzalez, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a look at the 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe, and we're going to specifically be looking at the navigation screen, which is actually only available in the Limited. Alright folks, so the display here on the Hyundai Santa Fe shows a split screen between the navigation system along with any kind of music station that you have on. Now, what I really enjoy about Hyundai is Hyundai gives you the opportunity to use this 10-inch touchscreen, but it also gives you the ability to control the navigation and the map screen using the button layouts on the far right corner. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to show you how nice and bright the navigation screen is just by tapping this middle section here. Now you'll see that Hyundai has given you the opportunity to use the full 10.25 inches on the screen in order to use the whole navigation. Now again, you do have the settings here on the side right as buttons in order to use the map and the navigation screen if needed. Again, we'll go back to maps, that way you can take a look at that. Now on here, like I said, it is fully touchscreen. It is fully user friendly, and it gives you the opportunity to use it in both the touchscreen format along with the button layout. Now, if we take a look at the screen, you'll notice that there are several buttons on the left side of the screen. What those buttons do will actually allow you to customize the screen a little bit nicer or more to your liking. Now, if we look at the very far bottom left corner, you'll see that there is a menu button. The menu will give you the opportunity to look at traffic, map displays, point of interest, your route, and it gives you the opportunity to, again, touch these options, and it gives you different options to use, like avoid freeways, avoid ferries, avoid toll roads, and avoid HOV and carpool lanes. This is a good thing when it comes to people who aren't too familiar with areas that they're going to. You also have the ability to zoom in and zoom out of the navigation display using the plus and minus signs. You also have the opportunity to use the navigation button in order to lower and put the volume up on the navigation volume, meaning the guidance system. Now, if you are lost and you touch the screen and you're not sure what's going on or what direction you're in, you do have this button up here that says 3DW, and that will basically just give you your exact location, and it'll help adjust the screen for you. Now, if all else fails and you are a little lost on the screen, you can always press home and it'll take you back onto the normal display. Alright folks, now Hyundai has made it very easy in order for you to set up a place or an address that you want to have saved. Now all you would do is you touch this corner right where it says place or address. Now you would type in wherever it is you want to go. In this case, we will pick our very nice dealership. Now you'll notice that if you have typed in that location before, it'll actually save up on the left corner. Now because we have this location saved, we will press this button here. Now what it does is it'll search and it'll give you different locations. You just have to make sure that you're choosing the right one. In this case, we're not going to the east, we're going to Gale. And you would press there, and it gives you the bottom option in order to start the guidance. Once you actually start the guidance, it'll calculate again.
Proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
And then the navigation system will actually take full control and it'll guide you to the location. Now, when going over setting certain places like home, work, Hyundai has made it pretty user-friendly. All you have to do is press this navigation button here, and it'll give you the opportunity to look through your address book, emergency places, restaurants, gas stations, previous destinations, and just regular addresses. Now, the way you would set up a home address would be putting the information on this top part. Now, once you fill that information out, it will give you the opportunity to save it. Once you save it, it'll allow you to use either home, address for work, or any of your top 3 favorite locations. You can also have a section for My Places, which will allow you to save personalized areas in which you go a lot to. And it gives you a section in order to send the information to your car using our Blue Link app. Alright guys, I hope that explained everything pretty clearly for you. If not, if you guys have any more questions or concerns, please leave comments in the section below. Like the page, subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.